Hey guys, welcome back to Guide Glimpse. In today's video, let me show you how you can reset your forgotten password on Trust Wallet. Before proceeding, keep in mind that your passcode can be reset only by reinstalling the app, which necessitates the backup of your secret phrase beforehand. Once reinstalled, import the secret phrase. Activating the app lock security feature prevents unauthorized app access. Have a backup of your recovery phrases before setting up your passcode. Be careful not to forget this passcode, as it can only be bypassed by reinstalling the app, which locks after 5 incorrect attempts. I will show you a step-by-step process on how you can reset your security PIN or password. First, access Trust Wallet settings. Navigate to the settings and tap on security. Next, slide the toggle for app lock to enable it. Second, set passcode. Enter a desired 6-digit passcode. Remember to back up your wallet before doing this, as you'll need it to recover your wallet in case the passcode is forgotten. You'll be prompted to create a passcode screen. Third, enable biometrics. Choose to enable either just the passcode or passcode/Face ID for the lock method. If Face ID is already configured, the app will ask you for consent to use it. Ensure your Trust Wallet version is up to date with the latest features. The recovery phrase, also known as the seed phrase, is the only way to restore your wallet if you lose access to your device or app. If your phone is lost, stolen, or damaged, having this phrase allows you to regain access to your funds. To effectively back up your recovery phrase, write it down and store it in a safe, secure place. Avoid digital storage methods that can be hacked or compromised. Keeping it private and secure is essential for protecting your cryptocurrency assets. Once again, thank you for watching. This has been Guide Glimpse. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more how-to videos.